Well, everyone, welcome back to another cocktail and movie episode. Today, we are going to be doing Mad Max Fury Road.
What a lovely day!
An awesome, action-packed, thrill another minute movie that was well deserving of a couple of cocktails, wouldn't you say?
That's bait.
Yes, absolutely. If George Miller could work so hard on this movie, we could work hard on a couple of really good cocktails.
I have a feeling he worked harder and much longer. That movie was in production and talked about for I don't know, years and years and years and years.
Patience!
Please, George Miller, if you're watching this, which I'm sure you are, don't take that long. I know there's a lot that goes into it. Try some of these cocktails. Maybe it'll help speed things along.
Yeah, that's right. And send us your inspirations.
Absolutely. So we have 2 cocktails for this movie, and I think we should get into making them now. And we are going to start with what one?
The Wives.
Ooh.
It's our first cocktail, inspired, of course, by The Wives. Second drink is Wasteland. So, yep. This one is a riff on the Blood and Sand.
I will make this drink. I don't need to be watching the movie. I will make this drink at pretty much, any time.
All the time.
All the time. This is my go-to.
Yes.
It's a good one. I think it's about time we go ahead and get into it. We are going to start with the Wives. For this drink, we are going to need a chilled coupe, a shaker tin, a jigger, and a spring.
For the ingredients, you're gonna need a nice gin, Elderflower Liqueur, Maraschino Liqueur, lemon Oleo Saccharum. We will give you a recipe in the comments below. Pear Juice, Aquafaba or egg white, and a lemon peel from the Oleo Saccharum.
So into the mixing tin, we are going to pour 1.5 ounces of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of Elderflower Liqueur, 1/2 ounce of Maraschino Liqueur, 1/4 ounce of lemon Oleo Saccharum, 1/2 ounce of pear juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of Aquafaba or egg white. We're going to fill the mixing tin with ice, a spring, more ice. We're going to cover, and then we are going to shake vigorously for 30 seconds. We are then going to double strain into the chilled coupe. And we're going to top this off by garnishing it with a candied lemon peel from the Saccharum. And here we have the Wives, looking very pristine, very clean. I almost don't want to drink it. It looks that good. Yeah, I'm going to try it. I'm going to steal it from you.
What is this?
What do you think, my dear?
I think the most pronounced flavors are coming from the Luxardo and the Saint Germain, of course. It's actually pretty darn sweet. Even though there's not a lot of Oleo Saccharum in there, I think the sweetness comes from, of course, the pear juice and that lemoniness. There's a little bit of, lightness with the citrus in there too.
Well, and that's what we wanted to go for.
You done this before?
Especially the way the wives are represented in the movie. I mean, first of all, they're all beautiful.
Yes.
And then they're all wearing white, very clean looking. And that's kind of the type of cocktail we wanted to create with sort of those characteristics. It's got a nice kind of foamy top. It's got that light, pillowy sort of silkiness. Yes, the silkiness, exactly. Really like the color, a nice sort of light golden color. Yeah, I mean, the pear juice that we used, we juice a lot of the stuff that we put in these drinks.
We're not going back.
You can buy the stuff in the store.
Make sure it's like 100% juice, no added sugars.
This one, really nice, really like the flavor to it, and I think it's very representative of the Wives.
Yes.
I had a baby brother. All right, should we move on to the second cocktail?
I want to see!
Yes, Wasteland.
The Wasteland.
Yes.
The Namibian Wasteland, where they filmed most of this. All right, on to the cocktail. Let's mix it up.
For this drink, you're gonna need a rocks glass, a mixing glass, a jigger, a bar spoon, a julep strainer, and a peeler.
Now for the ingredients, you're gonna want to use raw sugar, kosher salt, cayenne, mezcal, sweet vermouth, maraschino liqueur, blood orange juice, orange bitters, and an orange to peel.
We're gonna prepare a rocks glass on the side with an orange wedge and then dip it into a sugar, salt, and cayenne mixture. Recipe is in the description below. In a mixing glass, we're gonna combine 3/4 ounce mezcal, 3/4 ounce sweet vermouth, 3/4 ounce maraschino liqueur, 3/4 of an ounce blood orange juice, and a couple of dashes of orange bitters. Throw in some ice, then stir for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna strain it into a rocks glass. And we're going to express an orange peel and lay it on the ice to garnish.
Here is Wasteland.
Wasteland.
All right, I'm gonna go for it.
Go for it.
Ooh. Sometimes I don't do well with spicy things, like cayenne pepper, so hopefully your recipe isn't too spicy.
Don't blow my engine.
It does add a nice little zip. But since you only rim half the glass with it, you can choose to go for it or not go for it.
I'll make my own way.
We like the blood orange juice.
The orange plays, of course, really well with the mezcal. You know, Luxardo tends to be a more bitter Maraschino Liqueur, it's on the bitter side. And all of that just, you know, again, is really well balanced. You can still get notes of Luxardo, but you don't get that bitterness. And I think that that's kind of the mezcal and the blood orange juice sort of playing off of it. And this one is super easy because it's an equal parts drink.
So it's quick, boom, 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 stir, good to go. It really fits the landscape of the movie, just the harshness and rawness of that terrain. And we really wanted to capture that in a drink here. And I think this does that very, very well. And another thing that's cool is it is, in my mind, a stark contrast to The Wives, where we have this sort of pristine, beautiful looking drink here.
Feels like hope.
Still, look, it's been sitting out for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes now, and still has a nice foamy top and everything on it. I feel like these drinks really play well off each other.
Yeah, I think both excellent drinks. Or start with the Wasteland and with Wives, or
Vice versa. Or just, you know, just keep rotating.
They're going back.
Now, is there one you prefer over the other?
No.
I think I could definitely see myself drinking both of these cocktails in watching the movie. Well, I'll probably end up drinking, you know, one of
She'll end up drinking half, and I'll end up drinking the rest.
I am a lightweight. There's something to be said about I could drink an entire one of these.
There are some other drinks that we did consider making for this film. We probably will save it for, you know, Furiosa just came out, so we'll probably end up doing some cocktails for that movie. If you guys get a chance, give these a try. Let us know what you guys think.
Give us a comment below. We've got more movies, more cocktails coming out every week.
Get ready. Yes.
So also make sure you like and subscribe so that you can see more of them.
Exactly. All right, more cocktails on the way, more movies on the way, more of us on the way. We'll see you soon.